Welcome to the video tutorial for Speech Journal. Let's start by launching the application. Welcome back to Speech Journal. Speech Journal launches to this simple record screen. The first thing you need to do is set up a student profile. You must have at least one student profile entered before you are allowed to start recording. To set up a new student profile, you tap on the Not You button and select New User. You enter the student's first and last name and type Create. So let's do that. And now you'll see the student's name up here at the top of the screen. Once you have created the student profile, you are ready to begin recording. Tap the Choose Image button to select an image. Every image on your device is available for you to select. So let's go ahead and select this one. Once you select an image, you then have the option to move and scale the image so that you can focus on one particular part of the image. So let's rescale this image so the girl's face takes up the entire screen. The lighted area in the center of the image shows you what will be displayed on the screen. Everything outside of this lighted area will be cropped from the image. So this part here and this part down here will be cropped. Once you're happy with your image, tap the Use button at the upper right corner of the image to select it. Tap the Record button to begin recording. Now you are asked to tap the green Record button to begin your recording. So let's do that. This is Christy. After you have made your first recording, several other buttons will be displayed. The Erase and Re-Record button allows you to erase what you've just recorded and record again, and the Play Current button will play back the recording you just made. This is Christy. So if we want to make a new recording, we just tap the Erase and Re-Record button to replace our previous recording. So let's do that. This is Megan. And then we play it back. This is Megan. Once you are happy with your recording, you may add to it by tapping the Continue Recording button. Tapping this button will allow you to add a new recording to the end of the previous one. So let's do that. Megan is 9 years old. And then we play it back. Megan is 9 years old. Once you have made at least 2 recordings, the Play All button will appear. When you tap this button, all of your recordings will be played from the beginning. So if we tap Play All, this is Megan. Megan is 9 years old. When playing back the audio, a stop button appears that allows you to stop the playback at any time. You can continue to add as many recordings as you like. In addition to being able to add new recordings, you may also add new images. If you tap the Choose Image button, you are given the option of choosing an image for a new recording or adding an image to the current recording. Let's select Add Image to this recording. Now your photo library reappears and you can select another image. If you are playing on an iPad 2, then you'll also have the option of using the onboard camera to take a picture of whatever is around you. So let's select a new image. So now this new image has been inserted into the recording, allowing you in effect to create a slideshow. From here you can tap the Play Current and Play All buttons, which will play back the audio that you have previously recorded, along with the images associated with that audio. So let's tap the Continue Recording button to make a recording about this image. This is Matt. And let's play it. This is Matt. Now when we tap the Play All button, we get to see the entire sequence from the beginning. Once again, from this point, you can add as many images and as many recordings as you like. This is Megan. Megan is 9 years old. This is Matt. So let's go ahead and save this recording. You are asked to enter a file name, so let's do that. And we save. After you save the recording, the image is wiped away and you're ready to begin again. So let's go to the archive page. On the left pane, the current student's name is shown up here, as well as all of their saved recordings. If we tap on one of the recordings, the first image of that recording now shows on the right side of the screen along with 4 buttons. You can play, continue, email, or delete the recording. When you're playing a recording, if you double tap the image, then the image will expand to full screen. A single tap will make the stop button appear. So let's go ahead and play. This is Megan. Megan is 9 years old. This is Matt. If we tap the Continue Recording button, you get a message asking you if you are sure you want to continue recording. So let's do that. And then we press Go. Now tap the Record button to continue your recording. And now we're back on the record screen, and we're encouraged to tap the Continue Record button to add to the recording. So let's go ahead and add a third image. And we tap Continue Recording. Austin and Caitlin are getting ready for Halloween. And then play all. This is Megan. Megan is 9 years old. This is Matt. Austin and Caitlin are getting ready for Halloween. Now when you tap the Save Recording button, you get a message that tells you that the new content has been appended to the end of the original recording. So we'll dismiss it. So if we go back to the archive page and select the recording, this is Megan. Megan is 9 years old. This is Matt. Austin and Caitlin are getting ready for Halloween. And you can see how the new image and audio have been added to the recording. So Speech Journal can be easily used to create all kinds of activities like sequencing, multi-step directions, picture schedules, articulation drills, narrative building, conversations, and they can be created and personalized for each student. So here's an example of a custom sequencing activity. I'll go back to the record screen and switch users. And we'll go ahead and play all. Linda is about to hit the ball. Linda just hit the ball. Now Linda is running to first base. So in this example, you've created a custom sequencing exercise from photos that you can take yourself. And that concludes the video tutorial for Speech Journal. For more information on all of our applications, please visit us at www.mobile-educationstore.com. Thank you for your time.